Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial, and in this video we're going to go over how to link your withdrawal address for OG. So we mined OG on Satoshi, so now it's the period to link our withdrawal address. So how do you do that? How do you even get your withdrawal address? So that's what this video is all about. So let's go ahead and start. So in order to get your withdrawal address, you're going to have to get the contract address of the OG token. So no other way to do this than to go on your MetaMask. So go on your MetaMask. I'm pretty sure by now you all must have had your core blockchain network on your MetaMask. Now make sure that your network is on core blockchain, not Ethereum, not BNB. Make sure it's on core blockchain. And once you open yours, it's not going to show this Glyph exchange just like that. So you're going to have to click the import tokens right here. Then you enter the token address. So this token address, I'm going to paste it on the video description below or on the comment section. Just copy that and then paste here. So once you finish pasting, you just come on the token symbol and write OG, just OG, and then you click import. So I've already imported mine, so there will be no need to do that. So but once you click on the OK button, it's going to show just like this. Now once it shows like this, so click on Glyph exchange and click receive, this button right here. Click receive and then click copy to copy the Glyph exchange address. So now that you've gotten the address, go to Satoshi app. Let me go back. So click the me button right on the bottom right and then select those coins and then click OG, so right here, to link the withdrawal address. So I've already linked mine, but I'm just showing you how you can do yours. So click the link withdrawal address. So enter your withdrawal address. So I'm just going to paste what I copied, and then I'm going to enter my asset password. So this is private. So yeah. So now it says OG link withdrawal address, so you have to confirm. So I've already done mine. So but in your case, it's going to show that it sends you a confirmation code to your Gmail. So the Gmail that you used in registering this Satoshi account. So just enter that code and just to verify that it's you that's actually imputing the withdrawal address. So insert that, then it will ask you for facial verification. Just, of course, do the facial verification. Make sure you're not wearing any hat or glasses, just in a bright environment. So just do the facial verification and then that's all. Just click link withdrawal address and that would be all. So it should show you that the link withdrawal address is successful. So that's how you know that you've already successfully completed yours. So that's it for this tutorial, and it's very easy, guys. So please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and as always, I'll see you next time. Bye.